This is coming up first, though. This is a really, really cool reversible garden kneeler that is not just beautiful looking with the pattern, it's also incredibly comfortable. It has what feels like almost a memory foam inside of it. And so you're going to be so enjoying going out to plant your plants in your garden this year because you'll get to use this. Like, this is one of those things where you look forward to being able to doing the task of gardening because of how comfortable you're going to be. It's reversible. So the one that you see right here, this is the green and the yellow. Green up front, but as I turn it around the other way, that's where we see that gorgeous yellow pattern. So you do have two different patterns here. This is your green and your yellow. Next to that is the pink and the blue. So here's the pink side, and as we reverse it the other way, there it is in the blue. This is on a clearance price of $23.99. It's an easy payment of just $8. You're saving $9 by picking it up here right now. There is no reorder on this, so this is your last opportunity to be able to bring this at home in your choice of the two remaining colors that we have. Ginger Walt, as she's been joining us really every Monday, is back again. Ginger, so good to see you. And
hello, great to see you too.
You look nice and comfortable right now on this. I've got to get down and start kneeling
nice
too.
And comfortable. Well, here's the thing. Even your butt will be nice and comfortable on this too if you take this to any sort of games. This is brought to us by Evergreen. Evergreen is the sister company to Plow and Hearth. They're also known for their great quality products. This one in particular, I love the prints. I love that they are tailored together with the serged edges, and you also have that nice handle that, by the way, you can connect to any wagon with a little carabiner, which makes it perfect because you can take it with you everywhere. It's really lightweight, but it's also very durable. And as you said, it almost feels like a memory foam in the inside. It's a very thick polyfoam. And even if you were to take your hands, Justin, and just kind of, like dig in there, you cannot feel your fingers on the opposite side. And then it bounces right back, which is perfect.
I can't believe how squishy it is.
I know,
how comfortable it is. You can see how my fingerprints, they just, like Ginger said, do bounce right back to it. I love the idea of using this on a bench if maybe you go to the baseball games, the football games, and there's those aluminum cold, not very comfortable benches. Throw this down and use it as a little padded seat. In addition to then having your knees, go ahead and get down onto your knees to do your gardening with this. You have two different colors in each side. And so right here is the green, the reverse side is the yellow, or you can choose the blue and the pink. It is on clearance for $23.99 or an easy payment of just $8. What is the idea? Where did the idea for this come from, Ginger?
Well, we're all about getting outside and gardening, but we also wanted to make it a lot easier for you when you are getting down on your knees. And I mean, different types of soil have rocks in it, right? Or if you wanted to get into the mulch, you can certainly do that. Or if you're doing, certain kind of just sitting down. How about just sitting down rather than kneeling? You want to have a nice, comfortable way to do that. The size on this is 19.5 by 12.25, and it's just about 2 inches thick, as you can kind of see right here. And the two colors that we have on each one of them, the prints are going to be a little bit different. One, you have a larger print, and then the other one, a little smaller print that's on it. It's fun, but it's also durable and it's also washable. So if you do get dirt on this, you can hose it down and let it air dry. It's going to be fine. It's made out of a durable polyester material. So it's not going to do absolutely anything to the mat at all. But I can tell you, this is going to save your knees when you're outside, but also inside. If you have a lot of chores, or if you have little ones at home and you have to kneel down next to the bath to give them a bath, or washing your dogs, or getting down and doing your spring cleaning, if you want to clean your baseboards, this is a perfect way for you to take this inside and now use it indoors for all of those chores where you would have to get down, even cleaning out underneath your kitchen sink. It's perfect.
Well, I'm telling you, Ginger, I'm sitting on the floor right now. It is so comfortable. It feels like I'm sitting on a cushioned chair almost. I'm sitting on the blue and the
Right.
pink, so I unfortunately can't show you that one, but I can show you the green and the yellow that we have. You made me think of a lot of different things. Maybe you're a school teacher and you want to get down onto the floor sometimes for
And
different activities with the
right.
kids, if they're sitting in a circle for show and tell or whatever it might be. This is something great to be able to have on your chair that you can then move to the floor. Maybe you're going to be using this for gardening. Maybe you're going to be using this to do some of your spring cleaning. Perhaps you're taking this to the baseball, the soccer, the football, the whatever games that you're traveling to. That little handle makes it easy to be able to go ahead and bring everywhere. It makes it super easy because it is so lightweight. And the fact that you can just hose it off and let it air dry means it's going to be fresh and clean for you time and time again. This should be $33. We're saving $9 today by bringing it down onto a clearance price. It is an $8 easy payment. That is it for the next 3 months. This floor, if I was to just sit on it, not so comfortable. But when I have this underneath,
No.
a little bit more so, because it is like that memory foam that you have there.
And it's made in such a way that it will last you a lifetime until you don't want it anymore. It's not because it's not going to work. That foam that's in there is a very thick polyfoam of almost 2 inches. So again, even as I press down, I cannot feel the floor underneath. My knees cannot feel the floor underneath. I have a cement floor underneath this, the carpet that I have, that green, and I can't feel anything. It feels absolutely amazing on my knees.
It's so, so nice. What's also funny is when I reverse it like this, it looks like my outfit that I have right now, the green and the blue. I realized that as I turn that around. And that kind of looks like your outfit right there. So how perfect that it coordinates back to us. $23.99, an easy payment of just $8 to bring this home and make life a little bit easier for you coming to your door for this spring season. Ginger, so good to see you. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yep, you got it, hon.
And this is something else that Ginger's going to be back with. And this